Is this also true for Canadians waiting for adjustment of status after the K-1 is approved in the United States? Um, I, I, I don't want to assume what this question is about. Is the question whether Canadians can travel back and forth to Canada when they're waiting for their adjustment of status? Because yes, you should not do that unless you have international travel authorization. Even if you have some other type of visa, you should not travel um, internationally, even Canada. I know it's a separate country, even though sometimes we feel like you're part of us in Canada. You just want to make sure that you're not leaving the country unless you already have advance parole. So when you applied for adjustment of status, or if you applied with an attorney, I can't actually see your username, so forgive me if you're like someone I know. I just can't see it through the program I'm using. But if you applied for your adjustment of status and you submitted the I-131 to get travel authorization, or it's called advance parole, then when you have that, you're fine to travel back and forth to Canada. But don't cross the border like as a tourist, because if the government realizes you've done that legally, they have to say that you've abandoned your adjustment of status application, and that's it. There are a few exceptions with some work visas, and I'm not going to get into that because it sounds like if you have a K-1, that's totally not your situation. I just want to say for anyone watching, there are a few exceptions to that, but yeah, stay put, stay put, stay put, and then when you get travel authorization, you can visit Canada. And until then, stay put. Don't make your life any more complicated than it has to be. You don't want to have to, like call my office and have us fix that or start at the beginning. None of that, right? Okay. Thanks for the question, though. It's a great question. So I know Canadians are very used to just hopping over hopping over the border, not hopping, going through the legal measures, but being able to do so with less hassle than people from some other countries. So that makes sense.